start recording. You can add some black pepper. A teaspoon. And a fish sauce. It's about 4 tablespoons. And since the rice is ready, we can put the boiled chicken, which is the thigh and the wings. Okay. And also we can put our boiled egg just to heat it up. And that's it, ready to serve. Alright guys, time for plating. Got an egg. There you go guys, our finished product. This is our overload. Arroz Caldo. I forgot the name. Arroz Caldo. So we have some gizzard right here. We have some boiled egg, and we have some egg chicken. And of course topped it with the green onions and a fried garlic. So hope you guys try this recipe. If you're not subscribed yet, please do subscribe to my channel. This is your Misty Home Cooking. This is good any time of the day, guys. Simple and delicious. Bye. See you in my next vlog. Thank you for watching.